Hello everybody, so today we're going to look at solving some slightly harder equations in algebra. So these equations are just made a little bit harder by the fact that there's two terms on each side of the equals. We're going to approach them in exactly the same way though. We're going to try and get only x's on the left hand side and only normal numbers like 11 here on the right hand side. We approach it the same way, but it's just important to just do it step by step. So what I'm going to try and do here, first of all, is just get rid of the x term on the left hand side. Which you'll see here is 2x. So I'm going to rewrite the equation again. But this time I'm going to take 2x away from each side. So you'll see here that I wrote my 2x in next to the x term that was already there on each side. And that's just because the x terms can be added together or subtracted in this case. So 2x has the minus 2x next to it, and 4x has minus 2x next to it. Other than that, the left hand side is still the same. It's got a 4x plus 3, and the right hand side is still the same with 2x plus 11. On the right hand side, 2x minus 2x will cancel to give us nothing, or 0x. So we'll just be left with 11 on the right hand side. On the left hand side, 4x take away 2x leaves us with 2x. Just like 4 take away 2 gives us 2. And we'll keep our 3 as well. Now we've simplified the equation so it looks pretty similar to some ones we've done before. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. So the next step now is to just try and get rid of the 3 on this side. So we'll only have the x term by itself. So to get rid of the 3, we'll rewrite the equation. 2x plus 3 on the left hand side and 11 on the right hand side. To cancel 3, we're just going to subtract 3 from each side. On the left hand side, 3 take away 3 will cancel. So we'll just be left with 2x. On the right hand side, 11 minus 3 will give us 8. Now to find the value of x by itself, we're going to get rid of that 2 by dividing the left hand side by 2. And what we do to the left hand side, we have to do to the right hand side. So we're also going to divide the right hand side by 2. The left hand side, 2 divided by 2 cancels to give us 1x. And on the right hand side, 8 divided by 2 cancels to give us 4. So our final answer is x equals 4. So now we'll look at another slightly harder example. Here we have 3x plus 25 is equal to 7x plus 3. Again, we want to get rid of the 25 on the left hand side and the 7x on the right hand side. The idea being then we'll be left with only x's on the left and only normal numbers on the right. So it doesn't matter if we start off by getting rid of the 25 or the 7x, but let's start off with 7x. So to get rid of 7x on the right hand side, we're going to want to take away 7x. So we'll write out both sides. Taking 7x away from each side this time. What we should find is on the right hand side, 7x take away 7x cancels out to 0. So we're just left with minus 3 on the right hand side. On the left hand side, 3x minus 7x simplifies to minus 4x. Because 3 minus 7 is minus 4. And 25 will stay the same. Now, The next step is to look at what's still in the wrong place. So 25 shouldn't be on the left with the x's, it should be over on the right hand side. So we're going to try and cancellate 25 from the left hand side. So again, we'll just rewrite each side as it is. To cancellate 25, we're going to need to subtract 25 from this side. And that means we're also going to subtract 25 from the opposite side. When we start trying to simplify this, 25 minus 25 will cancel to 0. So we're just left with 4x on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have minus 3 minus 25. When we're adding and subtracting, if the signs are the same, we're going to add them and keep the sign. So that will simplify to minus 28. Now to get x by itself, we're going to divide both sides by minus 4. Minus 4 divided by minus 4 on the left hand side cancels out, so we're just left with x. And on the right hand side, 28 divided by 4 gives us 6. And a minus divided by a minus will cancel to give us a positive 6, or regular 6.